Contest Harith Iskandar is back in Malaysia after competing at the grand finale in Levi, Finland. Upon his arrival at KLIA on Wednesday, he clarified the misunderstandings on the Bangsa Johor post he made dedicated to his home fans soon after being crowned the winner.
Sebelum tu saya banyak post berterima kasih kepada semua yang telah sokong saya daripada segi media, my artist friends and all Malaysians. That particular post was aimed for those Johorian bloggers and online community that has supported me behind the scene, spreading it among the Johor supporters. Of course, kita tahulah online tu orang suka ambil sesuatu dan keluarkan dia daripada konteks, and it became heboh overnight lah. But I followed that up with another post explaining that my job as a comedian is to unite people, to unify people. If by that post I had split the people, then I feel bad about that and I'm sorry for that, but that was not my intention. My intention is to unify.
Harith said the pressure he was under in Finland was different from his regular shows in the sense that his fans in Malaysia were expecting him to win and he did not want to disappoint them.
Cabaran yang paling besar bagi saya adalah pada semi-finals dan juga finals. Nombor satu, penonton adalah foreigner bagi saya. Both semi-final dengan finals, selain daripada judges, kebanyakan adalah orang-orang Finland. Hanya di finals pada malam tu ada juga satu rombongan orang Malaysia yang bekerja kat embassy Finland. 30 of them showed up, 30 orang. Saya keluar pentas saja tu, Malaysian flag all came up. In that audience, hanya Malaysians showed up to support their own comedian. So itu cabaran nombor satu adalah mempersembahkan satu persembahan di mana international audience boleh ketawa. Dan bila masuk finals, saya memang sedar bahawa walaupun ia berdepan dengan penonton-penonton Finland daripada Levi, tapi yang menonton tu adalah international. Jadi saya cuba membawa satu persembahan yang saya tahu tak kira di mana orang tu berada di dunia ini, mereka dapat faham, dapat ketawa dan dapat rasa bahawa ini satu persembahan yang bagus.
The grand prize money worth $100,000 will not be given to Harith immediately, but through stages each time he goes to the US for his shows. He hopes he can promote Malaysia in the US and the world during his American tour. His advice to aspiring stand-up comedians is to be oneself and to always practice their materials in front of a live audience.